DxOMark has reviewed the new iPhone 16 Pro Max camera, and the results show it's one of the best available. Apple's latest smartphone scored 157 points, matching the Huawei iMate 60 Pro Plus and Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Only a few devices have higher scores: the Honor Magic 6 Pro and Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, both with 158 points, and the Huawei iPuro 70 Ultra, which tops the list with 163 points. With such a high score, there's little to criticize about the iPhone 16 Pro Max's camera. Instead, let's focus on its strengths. One major highlight is its excellent color accuracy in both photos and videos. The colors captured are bright and true to life, making this camera perfect for users who want vibrant and realistic images. In short, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a top choice for anyone who loves taking photos and videos. Its high scores in color accuracy, video quality, and stabilization make it a reliable option for capturing stunning images and videos. With so many strengths, it's easy to see why it ranks among the best smartphone cameras on the market.